In this video, we'll conduct a basic subject search in PubMed. We'll explore sorting and display options, apply a few filters, save and email results, and review the procedure for obtaining full-text articles via the UVM Library's journal collection. Begin by going to Dana Medical Library's homepage at dana.uvm.edu and clicking on the green PubMed button. Always access PubMed through a UVM Library webpage so that the button for accessing UVM's journal subscriptions will be displayed. If you are working from off-campus, you will need to log in with your UVM NetID in order to access full-text articles through our subscriptions. Suppose you want to find the latest research on the development of a vaccine against the Ebola virus. Enter the terms Ebola virus vaccine in the search box and click on the search button. Enter the words without any parentheses, quotes, punctuation, search tags, or Boolean operators. This will enable you to take full advantage of PubMed's powerful search algorithms. The search brought up a set of 1,903 results. Before you begin reviewing the results, notice that by default, PubMed sorts the results by best match. This is helpful in some situations, but remember that with this sorting method, the most recent results will not necessarily be found at the top of the list. In this search, the top 2 best match articles are actually 2 years old. If you are primarily interested in finding the most recent research, we recommend that you change the sorting to most recent. On the left sidebar, there is a list of default PubMed filters. Because you are hoping to find recently published articles, I would not recommend using these filters since the articles may not yet have had those search tags assigned. However, you would be safe in applying a filter for publication date. Click on the link to expand the timeline and select 2017 to 2019. Then click on the link to collapse the timeline. This brought the number down to 704 results. By scrolling through the results, you'll easily be able to spot some relevant articles. The first 10 will be displayed, then click on Show More to see the next batch of 10. And check the box beside any of those you wish to save. Now let's try a topic that is somewhat less time dependent. The use of acupuncture to treat low back pain in older adults. Clear the search box and enter the new word string. And click Search. This time, the best match sorting is very helpful, as the top-ranked articles happen to include several systematic reviews. But the number of results is still quite large, so you may wish to apply some filters. In particular, you may wish to limit to English and humans. Scroll down to the bottom of the list, and you'll see that neither species nor language is among the default filters, but you can easily access them by clicking on the Additional Filters button. In the species category, select Humans. In the language category, English. And since we're interested in acupuncture in older adults, let's select a couple in the age group category. We'll select 65 and over and 85 and over. Then click the Show button, and you can now select your filters. So we'll start with Humans, then English, and that brings us down to 586 results. Then let's add a filter for an article type, randomized control trial, and that brings us down to 132. And finally, we'll select the age group 65 and over, and we're down to a set of 44 results. If any of those filters prove to be too restrictive, you can just remove them by unchecking the box or you can remove them all by clicking on the Clear All link. The summary display provides the titles and citations for the articles, as well as a sneak preview of the abstract. For more information, click on the title of the article that you're interested in, and PubMed will display author information, PubMed ID, DOI, the structured abstract, any figures, the first 5 similar articles with a button to show more, a group of articles that have cited this article which are found in PubMed Central, the first 5 references, and again a button to show all the references. At the bottom of the page, you will see the search tags that have been attached to this article, which in PubMed are called medical subject headings, or mesh terms. You can navigate the set of results by clicking on the previous or the next result links, or go back to the top and just click on the search results link. And this will take you back to the summary display. To find the full text of an article, go to the abstract view and click on the Find It at UVM button. If UVM has access to the journal, this link will usually take you to the full text and/or the PDF of the article. If we do not have access, it will provide a link to place an interlibrary loan request through Dana Medical Library. This service is available for all UVM or UVM Medical Center faculty, staff, and students. As you go through the results, check the boxes beside those you wish to save, and then go back to the top to the Action menu and make your selection. You could save your selections for the duration of the work session by sending them to the clipboard, or you may email the results. You may save them to a file, or to send them to a citation manager such as EndNote, select the RIS option. Finally, if you log into your own account with PubMed, you can save the results to a permanent collection, save the search strategy, and set up an auto alert.